Hey everyone, welcome back to Honest Review for You. Today we're diving into a must-have tool for woodworkers, builders, and DIY enthusiasts alike. If you're in the market for a high-quality circular saw, you're in the right place. Stick around as we count down the top 5 best circular saws on Amazon right now. Let's get started. First up, we have the DEWALT 7/1/4 lightweight circular saw. This beauty weighs just 8.8 pounds, making it one of the lightest in its class. Perfect for reducing fatigue on long jobs. The 15-amp motor is a beast, giving you the power to handle the toughest applications. I love the electric brake, which stops the blade as soon as you release the trigger, a great safety feature. Its beveling capacity goes up to 57 degrees, with stops at 45 and 22.5 degrees, giving you lots of versatility for angled cuts. Plus, the integrated dust blower clears your line of sight while cutting. No more guesswork. This saw is durable too, thanks to its high-grade aluminum base and ball-bearing lower guard. If you need precision and reliability, this one's a winner. At number 2, we have the Skil Saw Lightweight Worm Drive Circular Saw. This saw is all about performance and ease of use. It's made with lightweight magnesium construction, so it's super easy to handle even during long hours of work. The 15-amp motor is incredibly powerful, letting you rip through lumber like butter. I especially like the cut-ready depth adjustment system, which makes setting your depth quick and accurate. With a 53-degree bevel capacity, you're ready to tackle a wider variety of cuts. This saw is designed for framers with an anti-snag lower guard and legendary Skil Saw worm drive technology. Durability and performance? Check and check. Our third pick is the Metabo HPT Circular Saw Kit, a true all-rounder that's perfect for framing materials like OSB, LVL, and plywood. The 15-amp motor delivers an impressive 6,000 no-load RPM for smooth, burn-free cuts. At only 9.5 pounds, it's lightweight, reducing fatigue during those long projects. It features a dust blower to keep your cutting line clear, ensuring precision every time. And let's not forget the single-handed bevel adjustment and depth of cut lever. They make setup a breeze. In fact, this saw was named Best Corded Budget Circular Saw for Pros in 2020 by Pro Tool Reviews. And for good reason. Number 4 on our list is the Skil 5080-1 Circular Saw. This is a fantastic entry-level saw for home workshops or occasional DIY projects. It's powered by a 13-amp motor, which provides excellent performance for most cutting tasks. The 51-degree bevel capacity, with positive stops at 45 degrees, allows for greater cut variety. The improved dust blower keeps your line of cut free from sawdust, ensuring clean and accurate cuts. Blade changes are super easy thanks to the spindle lock and on-tool wrench storage. If you're new to circular saws, but want something reliable and efficient, the Skil 5080-1 is definitely worth a look. Last but not least, we have the Worx Nitro Brushless Cordless Circular Saw. This one's for the pros who need portability without sacrificing power. The brushless motor is a game changer, offering 25% more power and 50% longer runtime than traditional motors. It has a cutting capacity of 9th February 2016 inches, which is perfect for a variety of lumber types. The adjustable bevel knob allows for cuts up to 57 degrees, and the LED lighting ensures visibility even in low-light environments. Plus, it's lightweight and ergonomically designed, so you can work comfortably for hours. Paired with Worx PowerShare Pro batteries, this saw offers extended run times and exceptional durability. A fantastic choice for demanding projects. So there you have it, the top 5 best circular saws on Amazon. Which one caught your eye? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more honest reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.